Perspective Art by Emily Matthews. What is perspective art? Perspective art comes from the Latin word perspiciere, meaning to see through. Linear perspective is a mathematical system for projecting a three-dimensional world onto a 2D surface. The orthogonals, vanishing point, and horizon line establish the space in which the artist may arrange figures, objects, or architecture so that they are able to appear to exist in a 3D. These elements of linear perspective link the scene of three-dimensional geometry with the art of illusionistic representation. History of perspective. The Italian masters Giotto through 1267 through 1337 and Duccio 1255 through 1260 and 1318 through 1319 began to explore the idea of depth and volume in their art. The first known picture to make use of linear perspective was created by Florentine architect Filippo Bruschi, 1377 through 1446. Painted in 1415, it depicted the baptistry in Florence from the font gate of the unfinished cathedral. The linear perspective system projected the illusion of depth onto a two-dimensional plane by use of vanishing points to which all lines converged at eye level on the horizon. By late 15th century, artists were in total command of perspective and were able to create in their art a beautiful and realistic world. For the next 5 centuries, Brunelleschi's system of perspective was used to create the illusion of depth on the picture plane and was used as the basis of the great art of Western culture. Types of perspective art: anamorphous, zero-point perspective, foreshortening, and curvular linear perspective. Anamorphous art. Anamorphous comes from the Greek word meaning something without form. It is illusion art. It has 1 to 4 vanishing points. It uses a grid to translate the image point by point. Must stand in specific spot to see linear image. In the next slide, we will see an example of how to do anamorphous art. Zero-point perspective. It has no vanishing point, non-linear scene. It does not have any parallel lines. It provides texture to natural images. Examples, the mountain range. It provides depth and still has a look. Foreshortening. It is an optical illusion. It is an object distance that appears shorter than it really is. Circles appear as ellipses. Squares appears as a trapezoid. It has two three-dimensional scenes on an image. Curvilinear perspective. It is alternate to linear perspective. All straight lines are curved, using up to 4 or 5 vanishing points. All lines are made perpendicular to the horizon. Works cited. Perspective art. The end. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it.